Hey guys, so I don't know how your area looks like where you are charging all your USB powered devices, but this is how it looks like for me. So I have like a power strip that's pretty much dedicated to these little charging cubes, and I'm not really happy about how it looks like, and also those charging cubes tend to grow legs once in a while. So I decided to change the situation, and I found this smart USB charging station on Amazon, and this is what this looks like. It says here Wow Smart USB charger. This comes here with an LCD panel in the front and a lot of USB ports here in the front. You see here there's a total of 7 USB-A ports, and then even the USB-C port, there's one of those here on the lower right corner. And it even supports wireless charging, so if you have a smartphone that supports this, or like a watch or anything, then you can just place this on top of this charging station. Now it comes with a really brief instructions manual and some safety instructions. And then, of course, just a regular power cable. So you don't have this huge brick on your extension cord anymore. And now let's have a close look at the LCD screen. On the left side, we see here each USB port is numbered through here from 1 to 8. So the first four are on the left side, and then the second 4 on the right side. And on the right side we see the output voltage and the power consumption, and also the consumption for the wireless charger. So now let's try to put this charging station to a test. I have here a couple of devices that I'm going to connect here. We're starting out with a Samsung phone, so we're going to connect this here to the USB port on the right side, and let's take a look at the screen what happens now. So you see this first, it shows now on slot number 7 that there's activity, so it is charging on slot number 7, and then it toggles, the numbers are toggling here between voltage, so 5.2 volts, and then amperage, so right now 5.2 volts and half an amp. So that's what this Samsung phone consumes right now. And then let's try to charge this iPhone 7 here on the slot number 4. We see here also immediately it shows that it's charging, and it's charging with 2 amps. So remember, half an amp for the Samsung phone, 2 amps for the iPhone. And now it actually goes down to 1.5 amps for the iPhone. And then here I have my wireless earbuds in the charging case. So I'm going to try to charge that, and we see here the battery of the charging case is pretty much full. So there's only 0.2 amps that's being drawn by the earbuds. The next I have here a USB powered battery charger. Let's plug that in. This is here on slot number 6, and it's right around half an amp that this battery charger consumes. Okay, so now we have here already 4 devices connected. And you see here the wireless earbuds battery is already now fully charged. So now this went back to 0 and the charging process has stopped. And now we just have here this iPhone X, so this supports wireless charging. And so we're going to place this right on top of here, and you see immediately the iPhone X recognizes the charger and it's trying to charge, and at this point the battery is already at 100% for my iPhone X here. So this is instantly, it starts to charge for just a little bit and then it pretty much stops. So I can immediately see with this LCD screen which device is still being charged and which device is fully charged. So this is a lot easier than this power strip with all those charging cubes that I was using before, and that was just cluttering up my area. So I'm really happy that I'm using now here this charging station. And this is already it for this video, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.